So you also have lots of experience with web services. What what do you think are the latest innovations from that perspective?
The legacy infrastructure that I look after or have been looking after is written in Python. Obviously, Python as a language is continuing to evolve, and increasingly people are looking to kind of make Python more safe using kind of static type checkers and adopting some of the programming paradigms that are there in other languages. Personally, I'm very excited about Go as a language. Yes. I think it's a really fun and simple language to work in. It's a little bit like a Swiss Army knife. It's not going to chop down a tree. It has some certain applications where it really shines, particularly in the kind of the services domain. Being able to write a service, you can quickly put out something in Go. If you're building a large application in Go, it's incredibly powerful. I'm still wrapping my head around it, but it's a wonderfully productive language. I miss things like, generics and kind of more powerful programming paradigms that it's eschewed in favor of simplicity, ease of use, and clarity at the point of reading. So it would take me a lot longer if I were writing something in Python or Swift than simply rolling out a new service in Go.